What would it feel like to experience the strange world from 0 dimensions all the way to 10 dimensions in one breath? 0 dimension. 0 dimension is a point. It has no size, no direction, no space, and no time. It is a dimension with no dimensions at all. And it is precisely this contradiction that gives 0 dimension its meaning. For example, when you use navigation on your phone to locate a destination, you're locating a point. On the map, that point exists, but in reality, it doesn't physically exist. It's merely a placeholder in mathematical space used to represent an exact position. 1 dimension. Length. Now imagine countless 0-dimensional points lined up together. They form a 1-dimensional line. This line has length, but no width, and it can extend infinitely. Whenever you draw a straight line on paper, you are unconsciously using the concept of length. If you lived in a 1-dimensional world, you could only see forward and backward. There would be no up, no down, no left, no right. Your entire universe would be that single line. Simple, limited, yet essential. 2 dimensions. Width. When two 1-dimensional lines intersect at right angles, they form a 2-dimensional plane. Now there is forward and backward, left and right. Objects can move freely across this flat surface, like an endless sheet of paper. If 2-dimensional beings existed, the world they see would appear as lines. Everything would look 1-dimensional to them. They might sense distance through brightness. Closer means brighter, farther means darker. But no matter how advanced they are, their minds could never comprehend 3-dimensional space. They are forever trapped on the plane. 3 dimensions. Depth. This is the world we live in. A 3-dimensional space made of length, width, and height. We can move freely forward, backward, left, right, up, and down. It's a rich, dynamic world where complex life emerges. But there is one limitation. In 3 dimensions, we only experience the present moment. We are fixed to a single frame in the river of time. 4 dimensions. Time. When time is added as a new dimension to 3-dimensional space, we enter 4-dimensional space-time. Here, time is no longer abstract. It becomes something that can be perceived and, in theory, traversed. 4-dimensional beings would experience time like space. They could move along the timeline, traveling to the past or stepping into the future. For us, time flows in one direction. But in 4 dimensions, time is like a map, every moment accessible. 5 dimensions, parallel universes. Now things become truly complex. In 5 dimensions, a new axis appears, possibility. Every choice creates a new timeline. Countless parallel universes exist, each born from different decisions. If you chose to start a business after graduation, there is another universe where you chose a job instead. 5-dimensional beings can move freely between these parallel worlds. They can observe every version of their life. 6 dimensions, curved space-time. 6 dimensions go even further. Here, beings can bend space-time itself. They don't need to move slowly along timelines. They can jump directly between different parallel universes. Even your decision to watch this video is already part of a higher dimensional structure. In 6 dimensions, true instantaneous travel becomes possible. 7 dimensions, the multiverse set. 7-dimensional space contains all possible universes. Each universe has its own physical laws, initial conditions, and history. Every universe is like a star. Together they form a vast cosmic collection. 7-dimensional beings observe them all, like librarians of the multiverse. 8 dimensions, branching time. Add time to this cosmic collection, and you reach 8 dimensions. Time is no longer a single line. It becomes a branching tree. Every branch represents a different evolutionary path of the universe. 8-dimensional beings can move between these branches, seeing every possible cosmic ending. 9 dimensions, beyond physical laws. 9 dimensions go beyond physics itself. Here, physical constants can be changed at will. Gravity, the speed of light, the structure of reality. Like adjusting settings in a game. 9-dimensional beings are creators of universes. 10 dimensions, the ultimate reality. Finally, 10 dimensions. The totality of all universes, all timelines, all possibilities. Every law, every outcome, every reality. 10-dimensional space is like a cosmic database, containing the complete history of existence. For now, this remains theoretical, a distant summit awaiting future explorers. So, did this journey through dimensions change how you see the universe? Which dimension fascinates you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments.